In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Brevo API key. Before we start, here's what an API key is in plain language. Your Brevo API key is a private code that lets your website or app talk to Brevo securely. Think of it like a password for software. When your system asks Brevo to send an email or manage contacts, the key proves the request is coming from your account. If the key isn't correct, Brevo blocks the action, which protects your data. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Brevo login page. On the sign in screen, choose Sign in with Google. When Google's account chooser appears, click the account you want to use for Brevo and complete the sign in. Once you're in, you'll land in the Brevo app. Next, look for the settings gear icon in the app interface and click it. This opens your account and project settings. In the settings menu, find and select SMTP and API. This is where Brevo groups all the technical connectivity options. From there, click API keys and MCP to open the area dedicated to creating and managing your keys. Now you're ready to create the key. Click Generate a new API key. You'll be asked to enter a name for the key. Use a clear descriptive label that reminds you where the key will be used, such as the app or environment it belongs to. Good naming helps you manage and rotate keys later without confusion. After you've added the name, click Generate. Brevo will display your new API key. This is the only moment you'll see the full value, so click the copy icon right away to copy it to your clipboard. Paste it into a secure place, like a password manager or your project's encrypted secret storage. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't email it, and don't commit it to code repositories. If you ever think it's been exposed, you can come back to this page to delete it and generate a new one. When you've saved it safely, click OK to close the dialog. That's it. You've created and copied your Brevo API key, and it's ready to be used by your application to authenticate requests. As a final reminder, keep keys organized with clear names, store them securely, and rotate them periodically as part of good security hygiene. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you now have everything you need to connect your systems to Brevo using a properly generated API key.